HiVE integrates seamlessly various educational tools such as interactive modules, multimedia resources, virtual settings for simulation training and non-clinical rehearsal purposes, as well as personalized multimodal assessment into one comprehensive environment.
It is the world's first large-scale mixed reality hybrid classroom, adopting fully immersive cave automatic virtual environment for practical and collaborative learning. The six-sided cave platform creates an ultra-realistic, three-dimensional environment to help students visualize abstract concepts, experience the unlimited possibilities of the digital world. In addition, this platform also serves as a virtual training environment, enabling students to experience and practice work-related skills in realistic scenarios like medical procedures, fire outbreaks, and aircraft control rooms that are not readily accessible in the actual world.
The HiVE initiatives perfectly aligns with our vision as it leverages technology to revolutionize teaching methods, enriching student engagement and contributing to meaningful events that have positive societal impact.
Our team extensively researched various technologies before selecting the HiVE as the solution. We prioritized factors like usability, scalability, security, compatibility across devices, platforms, as well as user feedback throughout our decision-making process.
Although with a history of less than 18 months, HiVE is already well received as a VR tool promoting visualized teaching methods. This VR tool helps to foster interactive learning experience that promote critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration among students, and provide a series of simulation environments for practical and clinical teaching purposes.
First, there must be a balance between proper level and degree of high-tech use and objective of the project initiatives. Second, continuous refinement based on user feedback is crucial to ensure optimal functionality. Third, the importance of human components cannot be neglected or diminished. One should make use of these high-tech for benefiting people. Like in our case, children cancer patients, carers, university students, and working healthcare professionals.
Embrace technology as an enabler, but not a replacement for traditional teaching methods. As educators, we must think through how to utilize such technology to maximize the effectiveness of our L&T outcome, and how to benefit society, especially for the needy.